Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're going straight to the voice greeting. Open your phone app and tap voicemail now. Once there, authenticate with your PIN or press and hold one if your carrier uses that shortcut. Make sure to select greeting or voicemail settings. This is where you'll record or upload your message. You're doing this first because it's the core change. Altering the greeting immediately affects what callers hear. Once you're in the greeting editor, choose Default or Custom to proceed to the next step. Now you'll create the message that callers actually hear. Choose Custom to record directly on your device. Pick Upload if you've prepared an audio file. Use a quiet room and hold the phone steady so your recording is clean and speak naturally. This reduces caller confusion and project's professionalism. Once recorded, tap Preview and listen all the way through. Make adjustments because clarity matters. If you don't like it, re-record until it sounds right. When satisfied, save the greeting so it becomes active. Finish by saving and immediately testing. Call your number from another phone to confirm the new greeting plays. If you still hear the old message, make sure you saved correctly, then clear your phone app cache or restart the device. Sometimes the app or network caches the old file. If the voicemail asks for a PIN repeatedly or won't accept the update, reset your voicemail password through carrier settings or contact carrier support. This troubleshooting step fixes most remaining problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.